Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files between two computers over Wi-Fi in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, make sure both computers are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth is turned on. Now, on each computer, go to Settings, System, Nearby Sharing and switch it on. You can also choose whether you want to receive files from everyone nearby or just from your devices. Next, go to the computer that has the file you want to share. Right-click the file, select Share, and from the Sharing menu, choose the other PC that appears. On the receiving computer, a notification will pop up. Simply click Accept, and the transfer will begin instantly. Once the transfer is complete, the file will automatically be saved in your Downloads folder. That's it. Your file is now moved wirelessly, without the need for USB drives or extra apps. And that's how easy it is to transfer files between two Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers using nearby sharing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.